How do I uninstall McAfee from my new machine? So I just got a new machine from Dell, and it comes pre-installed with the McAfee trial. We uninstall that pretty much the same way we uninstall anything. We'll go to Settings, Apps, and then scroll down that list until we find McAfee Small Business. We'll go ahead and uninstall that. Making sure to click that these are the things you want to be uninstalled, including all the files for this program. Since I've never run it, there's nothing for it to keep for me. I am happy with that. Now, at this point, Windows is complaining that we'd have no virus and threat protection. We'll get to that in just a second. We'll let McAfee finish uninstalling. In this case, McAfee does require that we restart the computer to complete the uninstallation, but that's fine. We'll go ahead and do that. So we've rebooted after having uninstalled McAfee. But you'll notice that Windows Defender is actually not complaining anymore about there not being any anti-malware scanning going on. And that's because Windows Defender has stepped right up and taken the place of McAfee after that reboot. Windows Defender is doing everything it needs to do to keep your system safe after having uninstalled McAfee.